Hi there, students. Coterminous, also conterminous, with the same meaning. Okay, if you describe two things as conterminous, it means they have a shared border, a shared limit, a shared edge. But it could be one or it could be all of. So, for example, Spain is coterminous with Portugal and France. Okay, it's got shared borders, but also the voting district is coterminous with the parish. So they are the same area, they have the same border the whole way round. So coterminous, conterminous can mean they have one border or they have all of the same borders. You can then use coterminous more metaphorically to say that two things have the same scope, the same range, the same extent in time or responsibility. So these two jobs have coterminous responsibilities. They have the same responsibilities. The scope of this project is coterminous with the scope of the last project. It has all of the it has the same boundaries. So it can be one shared boundary or various shared boundaries. So I wanted to do some building work in my house, but I had to show the plans to the owners of all the coterminous land around me, to all of the neighbours, all of the neighbours whose property shared a boundary, the coterminous proprietors. Okay, so having they are adjoining, they share a boundary. Coterminous, end to end, or meeting at the end. So if you look at the plan of the architect's plan of the house, the bedroom is coterminous with the kitchen. They meet. They have a place where they join. So to abut, my house abuts on the bank. My house is coterminous with the bank. But okay, it can coterminous, it can be in space, but it can also be in time or in meaning or in responsibility. Two people who lived at the same time, they had coterminous lives. They were alive at the same time. Maybe they experienced different things despite living coterminously. Notice you can say coterminous or conterminous. Both are possible. I think coterminous is probably more common. So coincident boundaries. The voting district is coterminous with the town boundaries. They're the same ones. Okay, so coterminous in duration. They happen at the same time, or maybe one is next to the other. So my speech is coterminous with that of the next speaker. I finish and then the next speaker starts speaking. So having a common boundary, contiguous. A contiguous boundary. Coincident, similar or touching in range, in time, in scope, in various different things. So coterminous, conterminous, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Let's see. I might just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. Better in a semi-formal or formal writing. I think very often as well this word is used in a business context. Coterminous aims or coterminous projects or things like that. And then as to origin, okay, together, and terminus, the end. So the ends are together, conterminous. Yeah, with the ends together, with borders, the same borders. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Conterminous and coterminous.